The study of animals is called zoology. In zoology, besides other things, we study the life cycles of animals to know about all the changes an animal goes through from birth to death. Let's learn about the life cycle of a honeybee. Click on eggs to start the life cycle of a honeybee. The life cycle of a honeybee begins when the honeybee lays an egg. The egg is laid in a honeycomb cell. The egg hatches after 3 to 4 days and a larva crawls out. Click the back button to go to the first screen. Now, click on the larva to continue the life cycle. The bee larva looks like a fat worm. As it grows, the larva sheds its skin. The larva is fed by worker bees. Worker bees are female bees that cannot produce eggs. After 8 or 9 days, the larva is fully grown and is not fed anymore. The worker bee seals the top of the cell. It now becomes a pupa. Click the back button to go to the first screen. Click on the pupa to continue the life cycle. During the pupa stage, the bee lives within the cell. The cell protects the pupa as it grows wings and other features. The bee remains in the pupa stage between 16 to 24 days until it becomes an adult bee. Click the back button to go to the first screen. Now click on the adult bee to continue the life cycle. When the bee is fully grown, it comes out of its cell and enters the world. There are 3 types of adult bees: queens, workers, and drones. Queens and workers are female. Drones are male. All play a role in the life cycle of new bees. Click Next.